for you all over the house.
Oh no, I'm sorry. I'm just rubbing face cream on my face.
How are you doing?
I'm rubbing face cream on my face.
What cream is that?
Oh, it's your face cream. Sorry, my own has finished. So just send it to me.
Oh no, now, babe. That's my coochie tightener.
Coochie what?
My coochie tightener.
What's up, my people on a day? It's your boy OBIKING, and welcome back again to another episode of my comedy reaction. So, my people, thanks for always watching my videos. I really appreciate it, you understand. Make sure to watch this to the very end, because trust me, this is going to be one of the best you've ever seen. So, make sure to watch to the very end. Subscribe if you're yet to do that. Share this video. Share it to your status, WhatsApp status, your Facebook, everywhere you can possibly share it to. Please share it there, you understand. So, don't play, my people. Let's go have some fun.
The younger generation, some of you who will be alive, you'll be old and possibly stupid.
It's only those who like them. You do for me?
For anybody who changes his principles depending on whom he is dealing, that is the man who can lead a nation.
The rank of many political leaders in Africa are thieves. Let's call them by their name. They are thieves.
Daddy, leave money, think about my future.
Calculate the one who I see today first.
Wow. See, whether government or no government, the Chucky can survive.
Yeah, nobody wants them. Everybody collect money. They put nonsense.
The integrity throw away like this, so
I know there is some again. Man, nigga.
yes, they don't sleep.
Okay. So the winner of this gubernatorial election is Chief Amuneke.
The next year. $5,000.
I don't tell you if you don't get money, you know they come to my shop. They give me my yam.
5,000 no fit buy yam again.
5,000 go fit buy votes, but you no go fit buy my yam.
That's so. Hey,
Calm down, you need to register first.
5,000.
What is this? This can't do anything. Does this place look like a charity organization to you?
No, the land. Meanwhile.
Hello. Please don't be offended. I'm trying to get a ride around this place, but if
I hear soon, you drive
drop me at the junction, please.
No worry. Now my car BB. I get like you.
If I hear soon, you drive this car, come here.
That car find me.
It's small like that, so.
If I hear soon, you drive this car, come. Madam. Kelebu.
Calm down now. I'm trying to make payments.
Sir, be first about it. There are other customers waiting.
I'm just looking for a legit platform to trade.
Bro, trade with Josh. Yes, that is the best place to trade all your cryptocurrencies, gift card, and all your digital assets. They are very fast and reliable. Just send a message on WhatsApp and you are good to go.
Trade with Josh, Abi?
Yes, trade with Josh.
I'm doing that now.
Hello, my guy.
Edoboy. Oh my dude.
What did you do, my sister now?
Now sister.
Now my sister be this now. Jesus. I just messaged her, said small trap for you, so I just entered the trap. But yesterday I asked you for help. What did you tell me?
Bro, I no get money, mean I no get.
Even if I borrow, just borrow me this money. I will pay you back.
I said I no get money, now you want to enter me.
You see your life? And you show me that I tell you don't press money. How far press? How much you press?
Give me 200k.
I said it. I tell you don't get money. Come, let's go home. I'll manage that 200k.
You are a foolish man.
Let's go.
Edoboy, so you your sister set trap for me.
You know what?
My guy, if you don't do this thing now.
What's up?
Yeah, come on, show something.
now.
You don't knock out. You don't knock out.
You're going to package my friend.
You're recording us. You're recording us. You're a mean person. Very mean and wicked.
I'm going to send them 500k.
Okay, but you said you gave it 200k.
I'm sorry.
They don't play you until you won't play.
I beg, leave the video.
Oh my gosh.
Don't worry. You go cry. You go cry with that big cry and you go cry.
Blackmail my God.
So you get my capon go shit for toilet, tell you may you go flush him. You know go flush him.
Ah, bros. I go there go flush the shit. I don't see water now.
Whether water there, whether water no there, for this prison, flush the shit.
How will I flush shit without water? How is it possible?
Oh.
Hey! Which of an I be Sabinus? Sir? Collect food.
If I hear say they go let you chop her.
Why do you look at like that? You know one chopper.
Bros, I'm not so sure I go chop him.
Give me that thing. You come prison, they do soft boy. Onga go wire you here, eh?
Oh, Jesus.
All this shit. Double. Ooh. Between the enter. Chamu. What's up? What's up?
I told you, bros, the place where they come from, the people wicked, they won't eliminate me. Be lifted high! Oh Lord!
Just like that.
It's a prank! Give me!
You be like Capo na a prankster before.
Take food.
Capo respect.
Your food.
Man, they love food.
Confirm. See chicken.
What's you know there?
I'm down inside though.
Capo.
The second time. This time around, that's straight to die you.
Yes, seriously, this one don't die you.
Not be hand they use check, you go touch and chest, bros.
You need a breathe too. Samu.
Get out of here.
Your heart don't cool.
Touch my chest. It's beating slow, right?
It's coming down.
Oh. I'm not dying in Jesus' name. I'm not dying in Jesus' name. I'm not dying in Jesus' name. Jollof fries no go kill me for this life. Jollof fries no go kill me for this life. You think they slow? I'm beside I don't die. I'm dying.
Yes, please.
Hello, babe. Can you hear me?
Baby.
Okay, don't worry. I'll call you back. Just trade the gift card with Dream Team China. They are fast and reliable.
Baby.
Don't worry. I said trade with Dream Team China. They are
fast and reliable.
Trust me, good rate. I'll call you back.
Babe!
Hey, babe. How are you now?
I've been looking for you all over the house.
Oh no, I'm sorry. I'm just rubbing face cream on my face.
How are you doing?
I'm rubbing face cream on my face.
What cream is that?
Oh, it's your face cream. Sorry, my own has finished. So I just decided to.
Oh no, now, babe. That's my coochie tightener.
Coochie what?
My coochie
Oh,
tightener.
wait, tightener. Hey! Hey!
Baby, see your face.
Hey!
No soldier is dead and country is great.
Country is great.
Ima!
Oh, wait, tightener.
Where that boy came? Ima! Be I won't finish this soup we are keep for this pot.
Mama, no be me.
You say no be
your mouth now.
This is what they for your mouth, no be soup. I think I
mouth.
want you say, make you know they enter my pot, go to this soup. Anytime where I keep food for this house, that's how you gonna finish them. Ima, if you like say you gonna leave that school where you there, go find work. Make you go hustle as a follow man, make you know how hard it is to bring money come house, oh. I don't dare you.
Nanny also. Nanny needed. Applying first.
Boss, I beg, excuse me. Now what did they write for you?
The right nanny needed. Apply in person.
Thank you.
Your mama said you go find work.
Are you sure you can do this job?
I can do it. You know Sabinus?
Yes.
That time when be this small, now me use my hand trainer. You know Nasboi?
Yes.
That time when be this small, now me trainer when come they sing music. You know brain jotter?
Yes.
I give a brain where a name the answer brain jotter.
Really?
Yes, ma.
That's nice. Sorry, a minute. Hello? Okay, you're at that junction. Give me a minute, you'll see me now. I'm coming, okay? Young man, have a seat and feel at home. I'm coming back. Let me pick up something.
Feel at
when
home.
I come back, we'll discuss your salary.
Feel
okay?
at home. Feel at home. That's word, keyword. Feel at
I
home.
guess I go shock my mama. No worry.
I don't hear feel at
Get the
home.
job.
No, see what you What's going on here?
Where's my mommy?
Now you be the picky where they say make I dey take care of.
Where's my mommy?
All these are Jebosian, rich man picking there, they get respect. And so you never won't greet you. They say, where's my mommy? That food where they chop for this, I go spoil up. That food where they chop, I go release them.
Nobody shout at me. Nobody shout at me.
Nobody stop my food. Nobody stop my food.
Hey! My food! My food!
Bros, calm down. Now don't play now. Relax. Bros.
Good.
Welcome!
Hey, my lover, how are you? Chigot, where's the boy that came here for the job?
Mommy, look at him here.
Jesus!
Madam, I beg, I need to work again. I be nanny. I know be Sakia doctor. Madam, I beg, madam, come here.
Now this one you want me
What have I done myself?
Nepa state. Nepa the guest state. Now like this I tell you do Nepa. Now some people say that.
Oh, Nepa!
That's what Nepa they do us. Girlfriend day, my love.
Hello?
Hello, my brother. I beg, no call this girl. I beg. I dey call my girl for 2 days now. She know dey pick. And she tell me say she know well. I even leave work now, drive come my house. She know dey house. Brother, I beg. I know say you dey with my girl. Today na girlfriend's day. Allow me still enjoy my girl. All the gifts I dey buy for this girl, I dey send her. My dispatch friend dey tell me say I want poor wey get dread. Now they pick this gift. Hey, my brother, what you dey do me so no good though? You keep my girl for 2 days, they pound them. You keep my girl for 2 days, they pound them. God.
But bro, see this teddy bear not too big like this.
They talk about teddy bear. You know what I do for this girl? Bro, I mean make this girl graduate from school. The Lagos on this guy, they stay there, they pound her so. Now me make this guy call this Lagos. You know hear me so?
Babe, what's wrong?
I didn't hear man. Nothing.
I thought I told you to off my phone today. Like, I don't need disturbance.
No problem, I'll off it.
You sure?
Yeah.
Some people really
Babe, please, can you help me and off the lights? It's affecting my eyes.
Okay, no problem.
This guy Mumu. Oh. You Mumu. Get on the lap.
Ah, babe, you're always late on the dates. I came with my friends. We already ordered black and it's 200k each.
Alright, no problem. Enjoy yourself.
Thank you.
Everywhere good money day.
Jesus Christ.
my God, what's going on here?
Yoko.
Boss, run not that here. Come outside, though. Run not that here.
Come, no, yes, no, now come outside.
My friend, come up from that place.
Come outside. Criminal and terrorize the rabbi. Go suffer, please come over here.
Jesus Christ, I'm feeling devastated.
And I want really show you see I'm a wicked person.
You don't enter people compound. No go no. When I rotate here, after that, you go come thief people.
You they go now, they go.
So you mumu like this, I don't know.
Anyways, my people, thanks for watching. I really appreciate. What's your favorite part of the video? Please drop it right in the comment section, and please do not forget to subscribe. You know, this was very short, so please do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to drop nice comments, and do not forget to check out my other videos. There's so many of them on my channel. You understand? Check them out, my people, and see you in my next video. Peace and love.